Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are ready to start building your own AI-powered apps or automating tasks with GPT, getting the OpenAI library set up in Visual Studio Code is your very first step. Today, I am going to show you the quickest and cleanest way to install the OpenAI API for Python, so you can get right to coding. Let's jump in. All right, first things first. Open up Visual Studio Code and make sure you have your project folder open. Before we install anything, it is a huge best practice to use a virtual environment. This keeps your project clean and prevents version conflicts. To do this, open your integrated terminal by hitting Control and the backtick key. Type out Python, a space, the letter M, the word VENV, and then VENV again. Hit Enter. To activate it on Windows, you'll type VENV, a backslash, the word scripts with a capital S, another backslash, and the word activate. If you are on a Mac or Linux, just type the word source, a space, VENV, a forward slash, the word bin, another forward slash, and activate. You'll know it's working when you see those parentheses pop up in your terminal. Now that our environment is ready, let's install the actual library. In that same terminal, type pip, a space, the word install, another space, and the word OpenAI, all one word. Hit Enter. Visual Studio Code will reach out and grab the latest version of the OpenAI package along with everything it needs to run. So let's verify that the installation went through perfectly. Create a brand new Python file in your folder and name it test.py. Inside that file, just type one line, import OpenAI. Now hit the play button in the top right corner of your editor. If the terminal runs and finishes without showing any red error messages, then congratulations, you have successfully installed the OpenAI API. And that's it. You are officially ready to start building with the world's most powerful AI models. If this quick setup guide helped you get up and running today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of AI tool you're planning to build first, and I will see you in the next one.